Namaste everyone. You're welcome to my channel Durga Tarot, and thank you so much for booking personal tarot readings with me, and thank you so much for booking these sacred Havan services from me. And as you all know, these Havan services are self-curated Havans with my signature energy, and so these Havans contain a particular energy which is of positive intention and to clean your area and to clean any kind of negative energy that is in your aura or in your home, and also to remove any kind of blockages that are between you and your blessings or your goals. So if you want these Havan services, you can directly contact me with the given WhatsApp number that is given in the description box. So, and also here is to announce that these Havan services, there are various types of Havans, and each Havan service is of different charges respectively. Okay, so you can contact me on the given WhatsApp number and inquire about the different charges of different tarot reading and different charges of different Havan services. So now let us come to your reading. So today's reading topic is a message from Goddess Kali. So here I can see that some people, major people in this reading, is trying to manifest money in their life. Okay, and to manifest money, see, first of all you need to understand money doesn't come just by going there and just trying to do your job or trying to earn money. You need to understand money is also a kind of energy, and money comes with the changes that you do within yourself and your energy. Okay, so if you grow with the your work, if you grow along with the work you are doing or the job you are doing, you will very easily attract the money. And also if you are trying to take risk in money investment or in any kind of business investment, so Kalima is here to tell you, yes, you can take risk freely and with happy emotions. Don't take any kind of don't keep any kind of doubt in your head. Okay, don't be doubtful, because if there is any kind of doubtful energy, then this will affect your money manifestation. Okay, so what you need to do is and understand, see, if you are putting your money in somewhere for long term investment or to multiply your money or in business or anything, so you need to understand what Kalima is doing. Just invest the half of that money. Okay, keep that half to ground yourself. Okay, don't invest your full money, because this time you need to just save something for your own stability. Okay, so that you can be stay stable and not fall from where you are standing or where you are stable and situated at this time. Okay, and you need to understand, see, these are the practical aspects of the life. But if you ask about the spiritual aspects and energetic aspect of the money, that you need to understand, money comes when to you when you are in very happy energy and in very relaxed mode. Okay, so if here your energy are saying that you are holding to past memories, and also you are disappointed by some past results or past situationship. Okay, so first of all you need to understand is that past is over now. No matter how much you do the hard work, you need to understand, you need to have to let go of the past. Then only money will come to you easily and stay with you. Otherwise money will come and then go, come and go. Okay, so if you want to just keep the flow of money regular with you, and also see, here can be a literal money for some people, and also some people who are not resonating with the money situationship, then here money means with that positive energy, that positive outlook and relaxation that a person needs in one's life. Okay, so you can interpret the money as that positive energy. So until and unless you won't let go of your past, you will not get the this positive energy or money. Okay, yes, you are doing the hard work, yes, you are trying to analyze all the aspect of this area, then you will invest the money. Yes, I can understand, but clearly here you need to let go of the memories, because memories are the biggest reason of your blockage here. Okay, and maybe you are holding to a disappointment. There are a lot of disappointment in you here. I can clearly see you are disappointed by the people around you, or the results you won't get, the result you couldn't receive from the projects that you were investing your money and energy into. So what you need to do is you need to let go of that. Just accept failure and accept that it's okay. Sometimes things doesn't work out according to your plan, so you need to accept that failure also. Then only you will be able to move on. And also, just be brave. This time don't be in doubt. Clear messages here. If you just keep yourself in any kind of doubt, then you will continuously be there only, and you will find yourself uh, deprive of money. So if you want to save yourself and save your life, and if you want inflow of money, positivity and emotions, then you need to understand, just relax and understand some things are there that are controlled by the higher power. Okay, see, some control is in your hand, that is your outlook, your reaction, your life and your regular practical life. Okay, but some things are out of your control, and that is totally controlled by the higher power. You can't do anything into that. So just accept the main role, the vital role of that higher power in your life. When you will accept that vital role of that higher power with your own heart. Just accept with your own heart, just accept with honesty that you can't do anything in certain areas that are totally out of control. Then you will see how positivity and how money flows into your life. Okay, so this is your complete message from goddess Kali. So those who resonated with the money section, then take that money reference for yourself, and those who related with the positive energy part section and with love and emotions, then you can take that reference for yourself. Okay, so this is the basic message from goddess Kali. Thank you so much for sharing your energy with me. And if you want to take Havan services with us, don't be in doubt. Quickly contact us on the WhatsApp number, because our Havan services are very healing and very positive energy is curated by these Havan. And as you know, these Havans are of their signature energy. So you can contact us and quickly book these Havans for yourself, because in India nowadays Sawan month is going on. This Sawan month is very sacred month, very sacred days. So if you take these Havan services in these sacred days, this will be of your more benefits. Okay, so this is my announcement for you. Thank you so much for sharing and staying with me. I shall see you in the next reading.